8 Weekly Budget Check-In, a habit worth building. Hey there, friends! Welcome back to Save and Thrive, your space for actionable tips to help you build wealth, save smart, and live well. Today, I'm excited to dive into a habit that can truly change your financial journey, the Weekly Budget Check-In. First things first, let's break down what a weekly budget check-in really is. Simply put, it's a moment you carve out each week to reflect on your spending, track your progress, and make sure you're staying aligned with your financial goals. It's like giving your budget a little TLC every week. It involves reviewing expenses. Look at all your spending from the past week to see where your money went. This helps you identify areas where you may have overspent or underspent. Tracking income. Make sure all your income sources are accounted for and check if you've met your expected earnings for the week. Assessing financial goals. Compare your weekly spending with your overall financial goals. Are you closer to reaching your long-term savings, debt repayment, or investment goals? Adjusting the budget. Based on what you've learned from your review, tweak your budget if necessary. Whether it's cutting back on discretionary spending, allocating more to savings, or shifting funds to pay off debt faster. Setting next steps. Plan your upcoming week by setting financial goals, deciding how to manage upcoming expenses, and preparing for any irregular or large payments. A weekly budget check-in helps keep you accountable, improves financial awareness, and allows you to make more informed spending decisions. A budget check-in is a regular review of your finances that allows you to assess your spending, savings, and financial progress. Here are the key benefits of conducting budget check-ins. Improved financial awareness. Regular check-ins help you stay aware of where your money is going, making it easier to track spending habits and identify areas for improvement. Goal alignment. Reviewing your budget regularly ensures your spending aligns with your financial goals, whether that's saving for a big purchase, paying off debt, or building an emergency fund. Early detection of issues. Catching unexpected expenses early on allows you to make adjustments before they spiral out of control. Increased financial control. A consistent check-in process empowers you to take control of your finances by making proactive decisions, rather than reactive ones. Encourages discipline. Regularly reviewing your budget helps reinforce good money habits, like sticking to spending limits and avoiding impulse purchases. Confidence in financial planning. Consistent budget check-ins give you clarity and confidence in your financial planning, making it easier to plan for the future with greater certainty. Better adaptability. Life circumstances can change, and budget check-ins allow you to adjust your financial plans accordingly, whether it's due to a raise, job change, or unexpected expenses. Stress reduction. By keeping your finances organized and under control, regular budget check-ins can reduce financial stress and give you peace of mind. Regular budget check-ins help ensure you're on track toward financial stability and long-term success. All right, so you're ready to start checking in on your budget weekly. Here are some tools and techniques that can make the process easier. Here are some effective tools and techniques you can use for a budget check-in. Spreadsheets. Excel or Google Sheets. Great for tracking expenses, income, and creating detailed budgets. Use formulas to automate calculations and set up categories for spending. Budgeting apps. Yanab, you need a budget. Helps you plan and allocate funds for different expenses. Mint. Offers an overview of your financial situation, including spending trends and bills. EveryDollar. Focuses on setting spending limits and tracking monthly income and expenses. Mobile banking. Many banks offer mobile apps that allow you to track spending, set budgets, and receive alerts for transactions. Cash flow tools. Airtable. Useful for creating custom tracking tables and visualizing income and expenses. Tiller Money. Syncs with your financial accounts to help automatically track your budget and cash flow. Visualization tools. Canva or Pictochart. Create visuals like charts and graphs to make your financial progress easier to understand at a glance. Financial check-in templates. Simple check-in templates. Download or create a budget check-in template that tracks progress against your goals. Quarterly review templates. Set up templates for monthly or quarterly budget reviews, including sections for income, expenses, savings goals, and adjustments. Trackers. Expense trackers. Use physical notebooks or apps like Spendee or Wallet to record day-to-day spending habits. Goal tracking tools. Smart goal setting tools. Ensure that your financial goals are specific, measurable, attainable, relevant, and time-bound. Alerts and notifications. Set alerts within your bank or budgeting app to notify you of upcoming bills, overspending, or when you hit budget limits. Financial calendars. Google Calendar. Mark key financial dates, bill payments, income deposits, etc., and plan your check-ins accordingly. Periodic reflection. Allocate time for monthly or quarterly reviews where you reflect on spending patterns, compare budget to actuals, and make adjustments based on your financial goals. By combining these tools and techniques, you can have a more structured and efficient budget check-in process, helping you stay on track with your financial goals. Now, let me walk you through a simple, step-by-step routine that you can follow each week during your budget check-in. A step-by-step weekly budget check-in routine can help you stay on track with your financial goals. Here's a guide to keep you organized and on top of your finances. Set a consistent time. Choose a specific day and time each week to review your budget. Common days include Sundays or Mondays, but it depends on your schedule. Gather necessary documents. Collect all your receipts, bank statements, credit card statements, and any other financial documents you'll need for the check-in. Review the past week's spending. Track every expense. Categorize your expenses, for example, groceries, entertainment, bills. Identify areas where you overspent. Look for any patterns or unexpected expenses. Reconcile your accounts. Check your bank and credit card statements against your budget. Ensure all transactions align with your planned spending. Make adjustments. If you notice discrepancies, make necessary adjustments to your budget. Assess your current financial situation. Look at your savings, bills, and any upcoming financial commitments. Track your financial goals. Compare your progress toward short-term and long-term goals. Update your budget. Make necessary changes. Adjust your budget to reflect any changes in income, expenses, or savings goals. Account for surplus or deficit. Allocate surplus funds towards savings, debt repayment, or set aside a contingency fund. If you're in a deficit, rework spending categories. Review upcoming expenses. Plan for the week ahead. Look at upcoming bills, events, or potential expenses. This helps you stay prepared. Set financial goals for the week. Create weekly goals. These could include sticking to specific spending limits, increasing savings, or setting aside money for upcoming needs. Automate where possible. Set up automatic payments. Ensure bills and savings contributions are automatically paid to avoid late fees and streamline your financial management. Reflect and adjust. Take time to reflect. Assess what's working and what needs more attention. Adjust strategies. Modify your budget or saving tactics based on insights from your check-in. Celebrate achievements. Acknowledge your progress. Recognize milestones and the progress you're making towards financial stability. This routine keeps you proactive and helps ensure your finances stay aligned with your long-term goals. Now, here's the real trick: making this weekly budget check-in a permanent part of your routine. Set a time. Pick a consistent time that works for you. Maybe Sunday evenings with a cup of tea or Friday mornings with your coffee. Start small. You don't have to spend hours on this. Start with 10, 15 minutes and gradually build it up as you go. Create a space. Designate a calm space for your budget check-ins. A cozy corner at home, a dedicated table, or a small workspace that feels inspiring. Remember, building healthy financial habits takes time, and a weekly budget check-in is one of the most valuable practices you can adopt. It keeps you mindful, motivated, and moving toward your goals with intention. So, grab your budget tools, set aside some time, and let's build this habit together. Let's make saving and thriving a part of our weekly routine. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more, and share it with someone who could use a little financial motivation.